Hello there, it's Robin here from Thompson Leisure. We're here in sunny Northern Ireland. You can see the weather's really playing ball, and it's July next week, wouldn't you know? Look, we've got a HYMER free S600 here. I want to do a wee quick introduction on the van. It's just arrived into stock, so readily available. We'll walk around here and just sort of point out some initial features, and then we'll work our way inside. So we've got alloys, we've got an awning, a barbecue point, the pop-top roof. Moving to the back, obviously got reverse camera here. Nice feature. Good wide angle lens on that. There's your electric hookup. Yeah, nice window in the back of the van here as well. Window sort of surrounding it. But yeah, that's sort of an initial overview on the outside. Not really much else to report. We'll make our way inside and show you some of the features there. This is going to be a brief overview, so all the spec and details in the van are going to be on the website. So let's move. Okay, we're inside the van now. We've got the all-important Mercedes chassis, 8-speed automatic. Really nice place to be up here, as always. Lovely dash setup and just a nice cockpit. Big screen here, camera comes through that. And all sort of your usual features there. Multifunctional wheel, you have your flapping panels here. Electric handbrake down here, your push button start, it's all keyless. The keys live there. On to the sort of habitation side of things, here's your control panel. So in a handy area here, for you stop up at your campsite, bang, press it on and sort of move into the back and get yourself sort of set up. We've got 4 belted seats. Wee table extender here for your kitchen area here, sort of standard 2 gas hob with your sink set up. Your Truma iNet control panel is there, and then that's where you would sort of move on to the bathroom and the bedroom. We'll get to it now. Right, so here's the bathroom, wet room style bathroom, wooden ductboard in there, compact as it always is in a wee camper van, but roomy enough to make things work. Your sink head pulls up to a shower head holder for the shower. So just one thing before we move into the bedroom, we've got a good big Thetford 3-way auto fridge there as well. Open that up. There's your wee freezer box, so plenty of room in that. But yes, on to the bedroom. So you've got your transverse double bed here, storage lockers up above, and the bed actually does fold up out of the way, so you can move, you know, throughout the van during the day, and there's plenty of room there. And I find it quite amusing that they've even given us a heated blanket, which we're definitely going to need at the minute. But yes, that's the downstairs bed, and I'll try and jump up into the top and show you it. Peekaboo! Right, so we're upstairs in the upstairs bed here, the pop-top bed. The pop-top's got a really good mechanism here. It's just, you pull this little lever on both sides and release this little strap, and the roof comes right up. So really nice manual design, but works really well. We've got a small reading light here with a USB charging plug there for your iPhone lead or your Android lead, whatever it is. The bed's lovely and big, you probably can't see it, but I'm 6'3" and I have a rake of room, so all good in that front. So there you have it, guys. That's the HYMER free S600. A really quick overview in the vehicle there, but a lovely van, and as I say, readily available in stock. So if you've any more questions, all the details on the website. Please feel free to give me a call on 028 92 444 394 or Robin at Thompson Leisure for emails, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.